Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to set a custom keyboard shortcut to open any application instantly in Linux Mint. This instantly binds your favorite apps to a custom keystroke combination, bypassing menus completely and launching your tools across your desktop environment with a quick tap. Open your system menu by clicking the Linux Mint logo in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Type keyboard into the search bar and click the keyboard icon from the results to launch your input control board. When the configuration window pops up, click directly on the Shortcuts tab located near the top middle section. Look at the left sidebar list, locate the category labeled Custom Shortcuts, and click on it. Move your cursor to the bottom of the window panel and click the Add Custom Shortcut button to bring up the command wizard. Type the application name into the name field. Here we need to insert the application execution command. To find the application execution command, simply search your app name in the system menu, right-click the app, and click Properties. Now, simply copy the command without the % and U. Back to the custom shortcut settings, input its precise execution command into the command field and click Add. Look at the keyboard bindings section at the bottom. Double-click the first row labeled Unassigned and press your desired key combo to record it. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.